Over the years, there have been many space activities. Currently, there are approximately 29,000 human-made objects larger than 10 centimetres orbiting around Earth. While some of these objects are still operational, most of them are dead. The majority of these objects drift freely in orbit, which puts them at risk of collision. Even a small centimetre object could hit a working satellite with the same force as an exploding hand grenade. If a collision were to occur, it would create more debris, which could lead to further collisions and a cascading effect. This situation will only get worse as the total space launches per year continue to increase. To tackle the growing problem of space debris, ESA is leading the effort to develop technologies that can actively remove debris. This effort includes a demonstrator mission called E.Deorbit, which aims to capture a derelict ESA-owned satellite in a heavily trafficked low orbit and bring it down to burn up in the atmosphere. This mission will mark a world first. There are 3 challenges that need to be addressed to complete this mission. The first challenge is to identify the target as it tumbles out of control, and then find a safe way to close in and synchronize the orbital paths. The second challenge is to capture the satellite securely. Currently, 2 alternative mechanisms are being studied. One would use a robotic arm, and the other would deploy a net. The final challenge would be to convey this massive item of debris down in a safe and controlled manner. E.Deorbit will be the world's first act of active debris removal. The success of this mission will position the European industry as a leader in the emerging space market. It will pave the way for the creation of new market sectors and follow-on services.